Ya kene ke Jingla la penyaji hidu Menteri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad Consultation ubabat rui ke Tyngka pla Tyngka ke Jylla. Ba ke jing temu jong ne ke Jingla kalong benlum mi sembo jing Jingmut lagi pat ba ha ke jing pen kre ke Mang Tyngka jong ke Jylla. Da ke bobo ke thong ban kentiu ke jingnum khajna bat ke kom penyat ke pisah ke benthe ki kampen roi ha ke Jylla bat ki beki beki mat. U Dr. Vijay Kumar D, Commissioner but Secretary ke Tyngka pla Tyngka, ula airu ke jing batai ke babnia sepang Mang Tyngka ha ke ne ke Iamir Jingmut. Uwe ni kinang isim benta ulang bakim jupoi perkat baka sarkar kan pendan bentalang i pat ba hagajeng pen kre ka Mang Tyngka. Bat kumta kan ikri kasien ke bening kong bat la sngu tu uru igur kom pen kre ya ka Mang Tyngka. Bat kumno lamang pisa ban pen trekam ya ki program jang sarkar. Habagran ke jengelang u Conrad kongkal sangma ulang bakalong ke badan kami ki pat ba benisim bentalang namar ka Mang Tyngka jang ke Jylla kedai ke benta kinong rep kinong sengkam bat barok ki kenhuan baper bat wala ken amla ban kentup lot ya barok ki Jingmut hendak kini ki Jingmut kila pat ban wanra ke jingkela u menteri Rangbah ulong ba ke jinglum khajna kala ki arsha ki hendru snem kata na ka syajar saus pasan folklor Tyngka syakalai hajar arspa ka nyoklor Tyngka bat ula kularu bag sarkar kat pentlan ke jing pudia bakam halor bat ban kentiu kerdani ki skol bagi jing bay Tyngka ke badang ya chakmat ke jing tei ki yang skol sarkar bagi jing sengik arplai tadi ki college pat ba ke batamai ban kentiu ya ka pule puthi.
As you very well know, I've been fighting for this issue for these essential commodities to have our own setup in the state of Meghalaya. In fact, the entire northeastern states, we are the last state today in which we are going to have our own LPG bottling plant. And I'm happy to tell you, only last evening I was there in Barafani at the construction site. And the construction that's on War 14, we have completed 60%. So another 40%. So we are looking forward for the turnkey job by the next financial year. That is the target. So my suggestion today is essential commodities. Now we will be having LPG, which we've been fighting from 1997 to today's 2025. So there are two key factors. We can never predict the relationship between one state and the other, which we have witnessed during the late 70s, in which we have our own oil storage depots in Omrai area. So those have been done away. So after hearing your clarification about Saski, I thought this is one of the best things in which the state government could invest for the future generations and even during our lifetime.
Coal India auctioned trucks which are moving with proper documentation. Now, while we do that, are there illegal activities once in a while? There could be. There's no denying that I'm saying that, oh, it's not. Am I saying it is? That also I'm not saying. But I'm saying that there is an entire ecosystem of this mining that was, as I said, going on for 200 years, and suddenly you snatch away the people's livelihood. It's not easy for people to adapt. So there could be people who, it's like simply saying to the people that, look, either you create the system for us to do our work, or we will be forced to do it the way we used to do it. So we have to be here, number one, moving the process of scientifically improving this. Number two, wherever we are getting information that any kind of illegal activity is going on, any kind of a place where there is a rat hole mining or something going on, we are taking immediate action. So therefore, there is it's not that we are we have got like 1 lakh staff which will be placed everywhere in every corner. So it is difficult for us to monitor, but we are doing our best to ensure that this is happening. But I'm very hopeful that with the introduction of the scientific mining, which, as I said, is in this last phase now, and just 2 days back, the Coal Ministry people were in Jylla Hills, and we're very happy that they are also satisfied with all the provisions. We are expecting that we'll be able to slowly and steadily streamline this entire collection and entire process of scientific mining, which, as you correctly said, I expect will lead to, if not thousands, but hundreds of crores in terms of revenue for us. So I'm hoping that the worst is behind us in terms of all the challenges, complications we face, the challenges that people face. the lakhs and lakhs of people employed by the mining industry out here, local miners being involved. It is a massive challenge. But I hope that, as I said, with the future, we'll be able to see things improving in that aspect also. So therefore, we are hopeful that this 50 years, because as I said, what was 100 rupees 50 years back, today the 100 rupees has got very little value. So today we are taking loan of about close to 700 to 1,000 crores or 1,500 a year. This 1,000 crores after 50 years will not have that kind of value because we don't have to pay it. We have to pay it after 50 years. That is there. So we are making provisions under the consolidated sinking fund, and this provision will be then used 50 years from now because interest will be made available for us. Okay. We are constructing new areas out there. So all this expenditure is being made through the urban affairs to build up the new Shillong city and the roads out there, the infrastructure out there, and much more is going to be done in this sector because that is the ultimate way for us to lead to decongestion of Shillong city, is to expand the city further, take the administration into a new city, open up the knowledge city where we can make that also into another growth center because that's how the world is expanding, and if we don't do this, then we will be again not be able to achieve the kind of goals that we have. So that's why Urban Affairs is pushing for this.